How to make money work for you. Do you work for money? If you presently work a stressful 9-to-5 job, then let me inform you that you still work for money. Before we continue, please ensure that you subscribe to this video and hit the notification bell. By now, if you still work for money, understand that you are living a 19th century life while we are already in the 21st century. This is because this kind of money earned creates a challenge and limitation to what you can achieve in life. I am pretty sure that you have great plans for your life. Or don't you? Working for money is like living from hand to mouth. It only sustains you for a while or a short period of time and can't really meet up with all your responsibilities, demands, expectations, and desire to live a better life. Drive fanciful luxury cars, live in a comfortable home that meets your taste, and travel for expensive vacations. This kind of work lifestyle can only cater for you now and cannot take care of your future plans. Now, what happens when you lose your job? Can your little savings take care of you? And when you eventually retire, for how long will your pension meet your needs? If you don't have correct and good answers to these questions, then I suggest that it is time for you to make money work for you instead of you working for money. When money works for you, it simply means that you don't have to be physically present to make money, but there is a system that makes money for you on your behalf. Now, pay attention as I expose ways that you can use to make money work for you. Making money your slave, and you don't become a slave to money. They are, buy company shares. Lots of big companies in the world usually offers various percentage of their shares for sale, and this is a sure way for you to make money work for you. All you simply have to do is just invest some money into their stocks, bonds, and shares and buy a percentage of it. At the end of every month, or years depending on the company's package, you are entitled to a certain percentage of interest or dividend without lifting a finger or doing any physical job. Some of these companies that sell shares include international brands like Coca-Cola, Amazon, eBay, etc. With as little as $100, you are already a shareholder. Some companies even accept less per share. Invest in rental facilities. Another wise way of making money easily without working physically is simply by buying facilities that people can easily rent and pay you for. You could save up some money or borrow from a friend and buy some construction tools, equipment, and machines, and then rent it out to companies and individuals who need them and eventually pay you to use them. The longer these people use your tools, the more money you make without getting involved physically. Become a middleman. This is an easy way of making money without involving stress. All that you need to do in this case is just have an agreement with a company to recommend their brand, products, and services to customers, and for every sale that they make from a customer that you recommended, you are paid a certain percentage of money. This way, money becomes your slave. Create an online downloadable content. Lots of people have made millions and billions of dollars doing this. They simply create a content that contains very vital, irresistible information that people want, and they create a link for downloading these files. They can then set up an automatic payment system that help them sell this content while they go to sleep. Each time anyone clicks on this download link, they are requested to pay for it, and this payment comes to their account. These content could be on topics like how to make money online, how to treat diabetes, etc. These topics are really important to people, and they are ready to pay for it. Become a real estate practitioner. You could simply purchase a piece of land and lease it over to a company or a farm for a long period of time, maybe for 5 or 10 years. This could really make a huge amount of money for you without doing anything. And if this organization likes the location of your land and it supports their business, then be assured that they will always renew their leasing contract with you and may be willing to pay higher for your land. Sign up to become a product tester. Very few people know that money could work for you and simply walk into your bank account when you make yourself available as a testing agent for companies. This is quite easy because companies who make products usually test them before introducing them to the marketplace for customers to buy. The reason for this testing is to make sure that these goods are 100% perfect and have no complaints. Some of these goods, service to be tested may include mobile phone applications, website, beauty products, consumer goods, electronics, etc. So becoming their agent involves you in testing these goods and getting paid for this, as well as being given free samples home. All you have to do is to locate such companies. Lastly, involve an eco-friendly greenhouse renewable energy source, as it helps you spend less money in providing power for your home and make more money available for you to save or use for investment. I am sure this has really been helpful in showing you the best ways that you can make money work for you. Please ensure that you leave a comment and like this video. Do not fail to subscribe to this channel as well, or hit the notification bell.